we are going to be making clear slime. We have clear glue, and this is my niece Jaycee here. So anyway, we have clear glue, we got baking soda, we have contact solution, and we have a stirring stick. So let's get started here.
Where's your shaver?
Jaycee, open this up and pour some. Pour some of this in there. No, here, close this. Open this up. Okay, there you go.
Stop your fart, you glue.
Stop it.
I'm trying to see.
Okay, so we got our glue in here. It's just plain glue. You can barely see it. But now we're going to add a little bit of baking soda. Pour a little bit of that in there. And stir it.
Stay.
So she just got done stirring this, and it's still very sticky. But we're going to lay this here in the lid, and we're going to add some contact solution to it, thicken it up. And now we are going to stir it. Okay, you can finish the rest here. See, as it is getting thickened here, it is very, very thick right now. It's still very sticky. So it's going to take a little while. Not a little while, just a teeny tiny bit of time. We'll be back. Going to add some more contact solution to it. And then we're going to see what it turns out from there. So, Jaycee.
Oh, God.
Kind of sticky, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take this off of the stick, and we're going to kind of mess with it a little bit, try to make it where it's not so sticky. After all, it is pretty good slime. Just have to dab up all the other stuff here. And now I think we're going to need some more contact solution. Jaycee, will you please pour the contact solution on my hands? My hands are stuck. Thank you. Okay, so this is really good. She likes making slime, so do I. This is awesome. This is awesome slime right now. You can see through it. It's good, clear slime. And I think that concludes our video. Like, subscribe, comment, tell us what we should do. And just in case you're all wondering, while we pause the video, we don't add anything to it. This is just made purely in front of your eyes. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.